Uh, Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to prepare a quick dosa batter with radish. Okay, it is yummy, trust me. It is not keeping as radish in the mind, but it is a yummy and a quick breakfast which is served with a quick 1 minute chutney without a tadka. So stay tuned for my video and watch my video and go give a like and prepare this recipe and let me know in the comment section down below how you liked it and how well it came and how convenient it was for you as a quick breakfast recipe. So stay tuned and follow this recipe as it is for the yummy outcome. So firstly what we'll do is I'm going to soak in some rice here. First we'll wash the rice well. Add in some water just to cover up the rice and let it soak for about 3 hours. And after that I'm adding just the rice from the soaked, okay, draining out all the water into the blending jar. Now I'm adding few ginger and garlic, adding in a little bit of water to just make it like a dosa batter, like flowy one. This is how the consistency should look like. Flowy, watery, but not too watery also. And now in another bowl, I'm going to add in grated radish, adding in some green chilies and turmeric powder, garam masala, salt, some carom seeds, and also the blended paste. Now we are going to mix all of this well together. See, you should make sure that the consistency is like this, not too thick, not too thin. So we will do this and allow this to rest for about 10 minutes. Now I'm turning on the stove to low medium, keeping in a non-stick pan. Getting all the things ready, the dosa batter, the oil, and let the pan heat, and once the pan is hot, mix the batter well and take 2 ladles of the batter and place it at the center and softly rotate it till you get a flat pancake. Okay, make sure that it's not thick at any place. So once you have flattened it, now drizzle in some oil. Also drizzle in some ghee. It will give a good taste to the pancake. Now just spread it all over it. Now unfortunately the gas was over. As you can see, I checked it and both the stoves, it didn't light up, unfortunately, but it doesn't stop me from continuing it. I have an electric stove there, if you can see. So I made use of that and placed it on high here. Now it's ready. Just so that you don't get any doubts about it, I'm going to put the second one on the electric stove itself and show you. Now once it leaves all at its sides, then you can flip it up and heat it well. Apply some ghee also to the other side, spread it around. And flip it. Cook well on both the sides. I'm calling this pancake because What is a pancake? It's basically a cake which is flat, but this is not sweet. So any dosa item, anything, you can call it as a flat cake, pancake. So like that. So that is the reason of calling this pancake. But this is a radish dosa. But general official term is a pancake because it is flat and it is a cakey kind of consistency. So you call it pancake. Nothing else to judge in that. So as I told you, the second round I told that I'll put it on the electric stove and show it itself so that you'll believe. And now it's the same procedure. Drizzle in some oil and some ghee. Spread it well. And once the sides have loosened a bit, remove the excess parts. Flip it and cook it the same way. Apply the ghee also to the other side as usual. So this radish dosa is done. So you can serve this to people who don't like radish so that they get the goodness of radish and they will not even feel that bitterness or sourness of the radish in it. Okay, so this is done and that's the chutney which I'm going to show in the next part. It's a very quick and easy radish chutney. And just take a blender jar. Add in half a radish here. All the ingredients details are in the description box, so please go check it out. Adding in some green chilies, some ginger and garlic, some fresh coriander leaves, and lastly I'm adding in the tomatoes. Add in add in the lemon juice. Then lastly add in salt. And without adding water, blend this into a fine paste. Now we'll transfer this into a bowl. This is how the consistency should look like. Okay. Now lastly, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of mustard oil, and this is the main star of this chutney. It gives a very good heat smoky flavor. So do add it for the extra kick, and this chutney is ready to be served. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got the tips and tricks of how to do. So this is a radish dosa served with radish chutney, and it is a yummy quick breakfast recipe that doesn't require a lot of time, just leaving the soaking of the rice part. So other than that, it's a very quick and easy recipe. Go try it out. Comment in this section down below how you liked it. Like my video, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.